Test. That's what's going on, y'all. What's going on? Let me know how we sounded. Let me know how we sounded. Alright, I guess we gotta fix it again. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Alright, let's see how we sound better. Alright, cool. If the mic does act up, just let me know, y'all. But we got a couple setups we're looking at right now. What's going on, y'all? So we're going to be looking at GBPJPYs here. We're going to be looking at possible US30 sales right here. We just had a break. On GJ as well. So we're looking for the retest. That was yesterday's live. US30 ended up going as projected. Gold ended up tanking all day. So we're about to see if we look for a GBPJPY setup right here. Make sure to go ahead and like the live. You'll hop up in here. And subscribe if you ain't subscribed already. Let's see what this next 15 looks like right here. See if we can get a retest. I'm liking this setup right here though. That's right here. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Let me know how we sounding. My signal's acting up a little bit. Yeah, I like this right here. Looking for a retest though. Alright, we're looking for a retest right here on US30 YM as well. As far as news, we don't have any news today, so we're simply just waiting for volume and our confirmations to be met. So we're just waiting for volume and confirmations to be met. So we're going to be looking for continued gold sales, we're going to be looking for US30 sales, and we're going to be looking for continued GBPJPYs. That's what the game plan is today, y'all. How do I mark off my key price levels? I go over that in Playmaker University. So make sure you use discount code Q1 for 25% off. I teach you my full strategy step by step, how to read the charts. You get daily analysis, daily trade ideas, and you get all my books for free when you join Playmaker University. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? We're about to look for a retest right here. If US30 wire can maintain 46.120 as resistance, we're going to be looking for sales going to the downside. GJ was looking for a retest here, is pushing, so we're just going to let GJ do his thing. But as long as we can maintain 212.40, 212.45 support, we're looking for buys on GJ today. So we're either going to look for price to retest this level, or if it could break above it and maintain 212.80 as support, we can look for continued buys for the 213.10. That is the game plan for today. We're looking for US30 and gold sales, and we're looking for GBPJPYs. I'm not going to be looking at GU today. unless it does some action. New York session. We're looking to see if we can hold this low at support right here. There we go. Those just joined the stream, we have not entered this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. Y'all see on your screens how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. If y'all got any questions, drop in the chat. When we're looking at your charts, drop in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. Let's see if we can hold this little ass resistance right here. I reject it, so we'll just see if it pushes back down below. Alright, let's see if we get a retest on GJ here as well. Again, y'all pay attention to how price is moving, pay attention to how price reacts to these levels. Let's see what we got, let's see what we got. So GJ's pushing, but we didn't get a retest yet, so we're just gonna let GJ do his thing. Again, we're gonna wait for price to either retest 212.40, 212.45 as support, or we're gonna wait for price to break above and maintain 212.80 as support, then look for buys going to 212.10. US30, we're looking for sales, so if it doesn't hold this low as resistance, we could look for sales up here as well. Oh, still bearish. Still bearish. And then gold took a huge ass dump yesterday, y'all. Gold fucking took a shit yesterday. If y'all got any questions, drop in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop in the chat. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of the screen. Instagram, playmaker_way, TikTok _playmakerway_. Shout out to those that was on the live yesterday. See what GJ does right here. All right, new 15 just popped up. Let's see what we got going on. So this is how it is, y'all. This is the waiting game. It's just the waiting game. You watch all the live streams from Monday through Friday. Well, today is Friday, but Monday through Thursday, you're gonna see different things happen every single day. You just gotta stick to your game plan. Just wait for prize. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. Let's see how GJ plays out right here. All right, we got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit. Again, y'all, we're looking for US30 sells today, gold sells today, and possible GBPJPYs today. That's what we're looking at right now. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free signal for Telegram. This is why you always want to wait for the retest too, because imagine if we would have opened up the charts, saw our price do this big ass drop, and would have FOMO to try to go for a sell here, or immediately went for a sell here. That's why I always tell you there's no rush to take setups. There's never a rush to take setups. Just wait for price to show you is ready to make that move. You'll avoid I'm telling you from experience, you'll avoid so many losses just by waiting a little bit. It used to be the same way. As soon as price touches a level, I'm in it. But you wonder why you get these fake outs and stuff happening is because you're rushing the setup. You know what I mean? Just because price touches a level does not mean it's ready to make that move. Just like I can tell y'all what I can see price doing for the day, but that doesn't mean it's going to do it right now. It could do it an hour from now. It could do it the next session. You know what I'm saying? And y'all see that from the daily London session lives, but also if y'all have not already, make sure to hit that first link in the description, scroll up to the very beginning of the week and check out the Sunday chart analysis. Like I always tell you, Sunday chart analysis goes over not just what we see Sunday price doing, but what we see price doing throughout the entire week. So make sure to check that out, y'all. But yeah, we're just watching the charts right now, chilling, patiently waiting. There is no news today, so we're simply just waiting for volume and our confirmations to be met. So we're going to see what takes place today. We're not going to look at GU today. It's got a little bit of work to do. Ended up rejecting hard yesterday, so we're going to let that do its thing today. We'll touch it again next week. As far as how we're doing so far this week, we caught a lot of setups, a lot of stuff went as projected. But strictly signal wise, we caught this nice setup yesterday. Depending on where you close, that could have been a 1 to 3, could have been a 1 to 5. I didn't hold this long, but if you did, that shit would have been like a 1 to 10. But I didn't hold that long, so we're gonna act like I did. But yeah, we caught a nice goal. Once my screen loads, US30 also did some nice setups yesterday as well. And remember, if y'all watched yesterday's live, right? Remember, price barely missed our retest here. Again, what would happen if you would have FOMO'd here? You would have took a loss. Look how price literally came back up, retested this level, and then dropped to the downside. You see what I mean? That's why I tell you, there's no rush to take these setups. US30 also tanked on Wednesday as well. But as far as how we're doing so far this month, we went 5-0 last week, went 5-0 the week before that. And then to wrap up, February went 19-3, giving us 86% win rate, catching 68,235 pips. And then month 1 of quarter 1, we went 20 wins, 3 losses, giving us 87% win rate. So we've been killing it so far this year, y'all. Just picking up where we left off. Because if you scroll to January 4th, you can see how we ended quarter 4, 80 wins, 12 losses, gives us 87% win rate. And then you scroll to January 9th, you can see how we wrapped up 2025, all 12 months combined, 232 wins, 30 losses, gives an 85% win rate for the entirety of the year, catching almost 1 million pips. So again, when I tell you we average an 80-90% win rate on a weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis, we really do that stuff over here, y'all. Again, make sure to use discount code Q1 for 25% off everything. The sale will be ending soon, all right? Do not wait till I say the sale's over to be in my DMs. Y'all love to do that. As soon as I say the sale's over, I'll be in my DMs. Oh, can you give me a day? Can you give me 2 more days? The sale's been going on for 2 weeks now, y'all. Shout out to those who took advantage of the sale. Make sure to get y'all's copy of the playbook if you did not already. And again, if you're just here looking for setups, that is cool. But y'all is having a lot of questions in the TikTok lives. So, this is not a live where you can't ask questions either. So if you got questions, drop in the chat. But if you just want to look at the charts with me, that's cool as well. going on? How you feeling? How you feeling? Yeah, so GJ's pushing right now, so we're just gonna let it do its thing. Just gonna let it do its thing. We're about to see how gold reacts right here. All right, about to see how price reacts right here. About to see how price reacts right here. This is what GJ is doing. We got a new hour and 15 about to pop up as well. So gold can maintain 47.06 as resistance. We're gonna be looking for sales going down to 46.52. That's what we're looking for right now. If y'all got any questions, drop in the chat. When we look at the chart, drop in the chat. Look at that reaction right there. About to see if we can hold this right here. Did do a big drop yesterday. I want to see if we can maintain this level right now. My bad, y'all. I was making some seed, but looks like price ain't really doing too much besides GJ. So we're still gonna be in the charts. We still got New York session. Let's see what happens New York session. Again, there is no news today, so I'm just waiting for volume and our confirmations to be met. But let me cut it to the chat real quick. I'm trying to find the chart on Tradeovate. Funny, but I just can't. So if you're trading Tradeovate, it's not going to be DJ30. It's going to be YM. So if you're trading futures, US30 is YM. That's what US30 is YM. So on the Forex side is US30, on the future side is YM. Just like on the future side, gold is GC. Yeah, they do have a time delay because the futures is greedy like a motherfucker, so you have to pay for the no time delay, which is unfortunate. And you can't, well, you could look for market structure on US30, but the prices are different, right? So we look at US30, it's at 46,220. We go to YM. Let's see what the prices on YM. And it's a delay on top of that, but you see the price is different, 46,420. So it's like $200 more. So yeah, so unfortunately, that's just how futures is. Futures is greedy like a motherfucker. Don't ask me why, I don't know. But yeah. That's just how it is. That's just how it is. So again, y'all, we're gonna be looking for GJ buys today. As long as we can maintain 212.40 as support, we're gonna look for buys. So we're either gonna wait for price to retest, which should fail to do so, or we're gonna wait for price to break above and maintain 212.80 as support. Then look for buys going to 213.10. All right. I'm gonna be looking for sells on US30 still. We are bearish. We did drop for 2 days straight, and we did hit a strong level of traffic. So we could try to retrace today, but we still are gonna look for sales today. We're still gonna look for sales today on US30. And then gold, same thing. So gold is rejecting, but again, that thing took a huge ass dump yesterday. So a retrace is not anything crazy to see happen, because again, that thing fucking ripped. It fucking ripped yesterday. But we're still gonna look for sales nonetheless. All right, so like always, you don't see anything between now and 6 a.m. We're just gonna hop back on the charts 8 a.m. and see what 8 a.m. 9:30 opens got in store for us. But we're gonna see how this next 15 plays out. Again, y'all, it's very simple. You have your trade idea, you wait for price to come to you, you wait for your confirmations. If your confirmations are not met, take the setup. This is how you avoid a lot of losses, right? Because again, my trade ideas can be correct, but just because price touches that level does not mean it's ready to make that move yet. You see what I mean? Look right here. Price broke this level. Boys are ready to make the move yet? No. Right? So that's why you always want to wait for confirmations. Always want to wait for some confirmations. Let's see what gold's going to push back down. If it keeps on retracing up, it's going to let price do its thing. Enjoy this tea right here. Alright, I don't know that from the mic. I can probably hear that. But again, y'all, you don't have to stare at the charts all day. I'm only showing y'all this so y'all can see the realistic side of trading, because I know there's a lot of clickbaity videos. And even if you watch my videos, I know like they're just like 10 minutes long. But this is the realistic side of trading. You have to wait for your setups. Now, can it happen? You open up your chart and you immediately take a trade? Yeah, we do that a lot of times. But is that an everyday thing? No, it's not. And you can see, again, I'm not staring at the charts. I have my alerts. I just went to make some tea. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to work out after this. You don't got to just stare at the charts all day. You just got to wait for your setup. Just got to wait for your setup. Just that point, I might try to retrace because they do a big ass drop. I might try to drop New York session. That's what US30 is looking like as well. Yeah, so GJ went as projected, but again, it just didn't retest for us. It just broke through. This was 3 o'clock, just broke through. Was looking for the retest 3:15. Did not retest. Okay, let me see. Gonna be on for a little bit longer, y'all. So you can see everything's just retracing right now. This just rejecting, so we're just gonna let it do its thing. All right, y'all. Shout out to everybody in the live, y'all. Shout out to everybody's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram, y'all. Again, do not waste the weekend. The weekend is gonna be over before you know it. Review your trades, revise your trading plan, catch up to the videos on YouTube. Again, the stock and crypto channel is dropping. If the video does not drop today, I'm gonna drop it on Saturday. All right. I'm gonna have a separate channel. If y'all was here last year, you know how we did all last year for 2 years, going over crypto and gold and the stocks. Gonna be doing that on a whole separate channel. Y'all been asking about all this other investment stuff. So I want to keep this channel day trading. So the second channel is going to be all the other investing stuff. All right, I'm going to talk about dividends, staking coins, long-term investments, all that good stuff. All right, y'all. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I see you scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram, playmaker_way, TikTok _playmakerway_. Post daily on both pages. Make sure to take advantage of the Q1 sale, y'all. It's not gonna be going on for much longer. Q1 for 25% off everything. That's the playbook, that's advanced play student, that's one-on-one sessions, that's Playmaker University, literally everything. Right, y'all. But yeah, so we're gonna look and see what the markets do. If we don't see any action between now and 6 a.m., we're just gonna hop up on the charts at 8 a.m. with members and students and see what the market's got in store for us again. Retracements is due, especially after we dumped twice, 2 days in a row, especially after the dump from yesterday. So we're gonna let just the markets retrace, and we're gonna see what GJ is gonna do for us. Peace.